let's learn how you can add Zoom to Outlook. So if you're using Windows, you will automatically have your Outlook application downloaded, from where we will download our Zoom add-on, because after this some new update, for me apparently you can't find Zoom add-in on your web browser. So if you go here and click here and go to a place where our add-ins should be, as you can see here, I don't have it. But we can go to Outlook application, click on File, and you will see here in Account Information, in the bottom of the page, Manage Add-ins button. So you'll have to click it. Now it will open us a new window on web browser. And as you can see, it here will be every add-in for Outlook. Here we can just search Zoom, and you see this Zoom for Outlook extension. Click on Add and click on Continue. And as you can see, we have done this part. Now we can go to Calendar again, go to our work week, for example, select the day and the time. When you did that, this pop-up will appear. You will have to click on More Options button, and then you will have to see this Zoom. You can just add a Zoom meeting, and as you can see here, click Allow, and you will just have to be signed in. I am on Zoom application, so I'm not signed in, but after you've done this, Zoom information will fill all these parts and you are done. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.